how are you? Today, got this 2016 Fun Finder, and when this was manufactured, it had a Dometic 300 toilet in it. Those apparently have a problem with smelling pretty bad. So, we don't have that problem quite yet. We haven't probably used it enough to, but we looked at a couple different brands, and based on availability and when we have this big trip coming up, we decided that we were going to go with a Dometic 310. Here's the Dometic 310. This one is porcelain. The other Dometic 300 is a plastic one. They said there that it wouldn't matter the extra weight. I was kind of worried about that as far as the floor holding up while I'm pulling the travel trailer with the extra weight. But they said they didn't have anything to worry about. So we went ahead and went with a porcelain one, which apparently everybody says that it just has a better feel, more like a home toilet. So we'll go ahead and do this unboxing, and we'll get down to the business of replacing it. Also, one of the things that I saw about this specific unit is it uses a standard home toilet seat, and this one is not a cheap plastic one. It's actually a really nice thick. Okay, toilet number 2 here. We had to go back. The other one was broken. This little back piece, I think it's the stop for the toilet seat. We had to go back, try to get a different one that wasn't broken, and it was broken as well. We gotta have a toilet for the drive. So this one was less broken than the other one. I am going to try and carefully take this piece off, see if I can glue this part that is cracked, and live with it for a while till I can get a replacement part. We were able to get a discount on the toilet seat based on the fact that it was broken and what it would cost for us to get a new piece. So hopefully 30% discount on the toilet, and I haven't been able to find it just yet, but hopefully I can find just this plastic piece and not have to buy a whole new toilet seat. We will see. But this is the spot right here where both of them were cracked. You can see it right along there, 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 and right there. So we will try and salvage this with a little bit of epoxy. See what we can't do there. But in the meantime, we will install this toilet. Let's see here. Take this seat off. She is. Made toilet. What was that? hardware. Nothing else in here. Does not look like it. Alright, let's go get the old one out. Alright, here's the old toilet. And doesn't matter what you do with this thing, it definitely stinks. I've got an old rag here. We're going to pop this water line off. In case there's any residual left after we drained it, and sure enough, oh, look at that. Okay. Whew, man, this thing does stink. Caps off and get to the nuts. Looking pretty rusty down there. Might need a little PV blaster or WD-40. Alright, other cap is off. See how these want to come off. Nope, I do not want to. Great. Alright, a little bit of PV blaster and that rust loosened right up. I already got the nut off the other side, so we'll get this one off. And then get this bad boy out of here. Not yet. Alright, this puppy should just lift straight off now. There we go. And out the door. Okay, got it all cleaned up. New hardware on. Time to drop the new improved 310 Dometic porcelain on there. I already had the new seal on the bottom of the toilet. Alright, both bolts are through. Seal seems to be in the right spot. Good. There we go. Alright. Couple of washers. Nuts. not quite solid yet. That's solid. Little another tweak for good measure. All right. Try this up here. Let's hook up the water line. Alright, that is on there and solid. Alright, there's the new Dometic. It has a slow close seat. Porcelain. Will be a lot better. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.